So I had a need. I had a need because I had a sales group that was getting stale, so to speak, and they were missing something. I had been in sales on the street for a lot of years, and I was managing a team of 15 people, and I felt like it was getting kind of stale. And Rocky came into my life, and with a little bit of trust and a little bit of faith, we were able to grow it into a relationship that we have today. I was the management side of it, so I had to like who I was going to invest in. So I liked Rocky, and I ultimately, right off the bat, trusted him. I liked the dynamics. I liked the way he was engaging with me, and therefore I was willing to bring that to my sales group and make the investments that we had to make. His concepts were real world, so we were able to bring those into the field, and I just like the fact that Rocky said the way it should be and the way it is, and there was no fluff to try to make people feel like they were going to be something they couldn't be, that sort of thing. Yeah. So what I really liked was how Rocky took a consultative approach. So he didn't assume anything when we decided to hire him. He actually took the time to consult and to study my people through testing and any of the procedures that he had in place to get to know the folks, and then use his methodologies and tactics to relate to my staff so that they could bring that into the field to be effective. He took the time to meet with my staff in my office just to get to know them before he assumed what they needed or assumed that what he had was going to work. He really took the time to immerse himself into my sales staff and to then take the practices that he had to teach to real world to my staff so that they could go out and use it in the field. They wanted to go to the training and they looked forward to it. It was every day, absolutely perfect. Nobody likes going to school, but at the end of the day, they were excited. They went out, we practiced, we worked together, and this went on for years. For the clients, I think it's going to make them respect more, because there's the typical salesperson mentality, and then there's somebody who's more process driven, who is able to find out more of a needs analysis and come up with a solution rather than just be a salesperson that's what's in it for me, what's in it for me. So I think our clients kind of gravitated to that and appreciated that kind of a consultative sale. So when I was working with Rocky, our group sales grew exponentially, and when we were working with Rocky, we had the highest point of our sales ever. We set record sales year over year for a period of more than 3 years.